Every day, the average person loses 50 to 100 hairs. But what if you're losing more? Hair loss is a struggle many face. But what if the solution could be as simple as changes you make at home? Today, we're uncovering practical home-based strategies to reduce hair loss and keep your hair healthy. Hair loss affects millions worldwide, shaking confidence and self-esteem. The good news? You don't need expensive treatments or a trip to the clinic to make a difference. Many effective strategies start right in your own home. Today we'll explore simple, science-based methods to reduce hair loss and boost hair health, all from the comfort of your living room. Hair loss can feel overwhelming, but it often boils down to a few common factors. Stress. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, which can disrupt your hair's natural growth cycle. Poor nutrition. A lack of key nutrients like iron, biotin, and zinc weakens hair follicles, causing them to fall out. Damage from daily habits. Tight hairstyles, overuse of heat tools, and harsh chemicals can make your hair brittle and prone to breakage. The good news is that each of these issues has a solution you can tackle at home. Here are some of the best home-based strategies to reduce hair loss. Improve your diet. Your hair needs the right building blocks to grow strong. Add foods rich in iron, found in spinach, beans, and lean meats. Biotin, present in eggs, nuts, and whole grains. Omega-3 fatty acids, available in salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds. Scalp care. A healthy scalp is the foundation of healthy hair. Massage your scalp 5 to 10 minutes daily to improve blood flow and stimulate hair growth. Use natural oils like coconut oil, castor oil, or rosemary oil, which are known to strengthen hair follicles. Exfoliate your scalp weekly with a gentle scrub to remove product buildup and dead skin cells. Gentle hair care routine. Use a sulfate-free, mild shampoo to avoid stripping your hair natural oils. Avoid excessive heat styling, and when necessary, use a heat protectant. Always dry your hair with a microfiber towel, or let it air dry to minimize breakage. Stress management. Incorporate relaxation techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises to lower cortisol levels. A calmer mind supports healthier hair growth. DIY hair mask. Natural ingredients from your kitchen can work wonders. For example, egg mask. Mix 1 egg with a tablespoon of olive oil and apply it to your scalp for 20 minutes. Then rinse with cool water. Aloe vera gel. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to your scalp to soothe irritation and strengthen hair. The secret to reducing hair loss at home isn't just in one remedy. It's about creating a consistent routine. People who stick to these practices see noticeable improvements over time. Whether it's eating better, caring for your scalp, or managing stress, these small daily actions add up to big results. Remember, it's a journey, not an overnight fix. Reducing hair loss at home is possible with simple mindful changes to your diet, hair care routine, and lifestyle. It's about nurturing your hair from the inside out and creating a supportive environment for growth. You don't need fancy treatments, just a commitment of taking care to yourself. What's your favorite at-home remedy? Share your tips and experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.